Hi everyone, my name is Kathryn Turner and this is my presentation for Journalism 721, Visual Communication and Multimedia. One of the first things we learn to do when photo editing is to read the copy and identify main themes in the story to help us select photographs. In this case, the story profiles Cal Ripken Jr.'s career and serves the dual purpose of also covering his final baseball game before he retired. The reader learns a bit about his impact on baseball fans, his teammates, and famous figures like former President Bill Clinton. Professor Laura Rule advises students who are interested in the photo editing process to group similar photographs together. Presumably, this is to avoid selecting photos that are too similar for the story. Selecting photographs from different categories ensures that the viewer sees a range of images that can help explore different angles of the story and complement the written text. The 5 categories I created are capturing the moment, the impact that Ripken had on his fans, gravitas, or prominence as one of the readings put it, showing a different or private side of Ripken, and the subject's impact on others, which could also be labeled community. Counting down from the auxiliary images to the dominant one, the 5th category photograph I chose suggests Ripken's connection to his teammates. I chose this photograph for 2 reasons. First, it complements the text about Ripken's role as a mentor for other baseball players, and it puts him into context. It suggests that while Ripken is a standout player with incredible talent, he is also a small part of a larger unit or community. The second reason is the composition of the shot. The other shots I chose tend to be tightly cropped, while this one gives some variety because it is a medium shot. The 4th category depicts a private moment. The photograph is a close-up of Ripken being embraced by his children. It adds emotion that is best told through a photograph and portrays Ripken as a family man, which is a side of him that isn't explored in the article. Another reason to include this photo is to draw in the reader. As one of our readings stated, readers will always look at pictures of children and animals because these are the kinds of pictures that make readers feel something. The 3rd category, which I call gravitas, is referred to in the readings as prominence. I selected the photo of Bill Clinton saluting Ripken because it adds substance and weightiness to the article. The presence of Bill Clinton and his deference to Ripken draws in the viewer and illustrates Ripken's importance to the nation beyond baseball. Even readers who aren't fans of baseball will be able to recognize Ripken's larger impact from the photo. As one of our readings stated, pictures of famous people are always likely candidates for publication. Readers will look at photos of famous people, and editors will use such pictures for precisely that reason. The 2nd category demonstrates Ripken's impact on his fans. I chose this photo of a woman holding a farewell sign to underscore the excitement of the event and Ripken's connection with his fans. It also provides a bit of a contrast in mood with the main photograph. The main photograph I chose was Ripken saying farewell to the stadium. As a feature photo, it serves the function of capturing the moment and identifying the subject of the article. Ripken's body language in the photograph also provides some insight into his personality. He has removed his helmet out of respect for his fans and is saluting the crowd. The fact that he has his back to the camera gives the impression that he is walking away or leaving, which could easily signal to the reader that he is retiring. That concludes my presentation on photo editing. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to learning more from your critique.